Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm going to do another D-stash. This time though I've got a fairly big kit, and the reason for that is this is a different sort of one, okay? You'll see as we go along why it is different. Now that business isn't along there. In this one, in each kit, I'm only going to do two. Okay, I've only got this two ready. So there'll be a piece of this lace, okay, and there's a cotton lace, and there's a piece of these little flowers, all right, little white flowers, and then there's a piece of this other sort of lace here, all right. Now I'm going to put that in a bag. Hope you don't mind. We're going to put it together. I've got most of it together. I just needed to put in a few bits and pieces that weren't where I was, and I don't have the bag big enough here. I've got all these little bags, but nothing that I think will hold any things. I'll have to fix that up later, I guess, because I just can't stick them in a tiny little bag. That'll only make them all squished. I can't believe this, I had that. Anyway, so we've got those, right? And each kit will have the exact same thing in that. Put one there. And that one there, I'm going to put that one in the other bag because that's already done. Now, I've got the material here ready. Didn't I do two of these? Yes, I did. Okay, so the fabric pieces will be one of these in each one. So this is two there. I've got them ready to do, one of each. I've got this one here that really needs ironing seriously, so I'll have to do that one, right? So there's one of them each. There's going to be a piece of... this is a half of a doily that somebody has embroidered, and you will be getting that in each one. There will be this one here in each one. These pieces are the size of so this is about 7 inches by 20 centimetres, so that's 7 by 7, but something like that. Okay, a bit bigger, a bit smaller. This one here is only small, but I do love the fans on that, and that was the only sort of piece I had. And I'm gonna I've got a little bit, so I'll keep for mine. So there's one in each. Now there's not two in each one, there's only one. I'm just showing you because I've put them all together, and these ones here, the fabric's all the same. So there's 2 bits of that, 2 bits of that, and 2 bits of this. Okay. Now, in the kit also you will get one of those good bead needles, one of these little embroidery hoops, but it's not to actually work in, it's to put your little piece of embroidery in when you do it if you want to. Or I don't think if you can cut any off this other piece if there's two, or you can get somebody else's, and you can do your own bit though. And it's got the little screws. It's got 3 little screws. I don't know why there's 3. There should be only 1, I suppose, but that's what's in there. Okay, you'll get some blue beads, which have got some others mixed with it, some lighter colour. These red ones. There's orange ones. There's pink ones. There's white ones. Another different orange sort. Yellow. Some soup, bead soup. Because I couldn't find any pink ones until this morning, and I just found a few, so I'll put those in. Some sort of white glassy looking ones, gold ones, green ones, and another lot of green ones. They'll be all in there. Now in this also we've got all this thread. Now this is all crochet thread, okay? So I'm sharing, I'm not sharing, I'm selling them to you, but some lady said they didn't know where to get it, and I thought, well, there's nothing worse, than wanting to do something and you can't find what you want to do it with. So I'm just thinking maybe I hopefully will be able to help by doing this together for you. And there's, it's an idea for crazy patchwork. You can just do a bit of slow stitching. You can do a bit of beading, because you also get the piece on. Where's the white bit? I also had a linen piece, not a linen, but a white. What did I do with that? I had them ready too. Goodness me, it's not good when you get, maybe this is it. I've got to iron that too. You get the piece, the base piece to do it with, okay? You put under that now. So in this, there's a fair bit of stuff. And and that's good, but you need the bits. You need to have the bits, because there's no good trying to start something and you can't find the bits. So I thought, well, I'm going to have to put in as much as what I can. Now, I'm wanting $40 shipped, okay? Now, I know that might sound a lot, but I think it might cost an awful lot more if you had to go out and buy all these bits, because it's not expensive, really. I've been on there and I've had a look at the different things, and you probably could get maybe half of that much for the same amount of money. So that's what I was thinking. That's what I looked at anyway. But you don't have to buy them if you don't want to. I'll just have to put it I'll just keep it and keep using it myself. It's all right. But there's that nice magic needle that opens down the centre, so you can put your thread through there. You'll have to probably use a different sort of a thin thread to put your beads on. But and there's also these pieces here that I've given you some nice florals and that, and you know, so I think that'll be really good. And there's the same thing in this other bag. I really didn't want to take it all out, but I'm going to have to take it out to fix it up, but they will be exactly the same thing, okay? I'm just going to have a look at this little hoop thing to make sure it's got, well, it's only got, it's got 2 little screws. The other one's got 3. I might have accidentally left one. It doesn't matter. It's just be nice and careful. You put your piece of work on the small one, okay, and then you stick that one onto the, and put the small one in there, put your little the nut through and tighten it up, and just put the big one then on the back, okay, and you've got yourself a little bit, you can put some sort of string through there or something and make yourself a necklace with it if you like. But that one's exactly the same. It's got all the same stuff in it. So I'm just going to take these apart, and I'm sorry if I went too fast with that, but I needed to well, it took me, you know, about 8 minutes, I suppose. But I just wanted to put it up because I've been collecting up these bits and winding for days. I've been winding and winding and winding. These are actually on most of these are on a nice plastic reel thing that they will keep really good on. They won't bend. There is a couple that's still on, that's on these new harder cardboardy ones, but that's all right, isn't it? Okay, so I've just got to sort out the fabric, pack them up, and then I can post them if you want one. Okay, so that's $40 shipped, and I'm going to say maybe $40 shipped international. Is that all right for international? International last time cost me $14, you know, so that's a lot of money, isn't it? I know that's a lot of money if you used to pay, and I understand if you don't want to get them into it, because it's a lot of money to pay. But so we'll leave it at that, and if anybody wants to pay a few dollars more, just let me know. I will give you my email will be there. I was going to put them on Etsy, but I'll give them a few days to see, you know, if anybody wants them first, because there's only these 2 here. And I'm likely to make up some more, but they could be a bit different. It just depends. I just don't know yet. I've got to get more beads. I'm not going to, because really what I want to do is try and get some of this stuff somewhere else. Now, it's nothing compared with what I got in here. So anyway, so I hope this will like that, and it's not too expensive, but it's what I think the value of it is really good, because it's not something that you can. I mean, the ladies that bought the fabric off me before, the ones that were overseas, they did pay more for their shipping, because I said it was only for, well, I didn't say it was only, well, we did say Aussie, but so this is $40 shipped, okay? Righto. So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you like this. Leave some feedback if you don't mind, and tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.